late start here at Willaston level crossing in Cheshire, Matthew Holmes and Derek Holmes. God, my phone just switched off. Dang it. Literally gutted for that. Right. Anyways, the time now is
12:24
on the
Saturday the 2nd of September.
2023. We're down for our
DRS service from Tesco Daventry to Wentworth straight line.
okay. Gutted because it just turned off. So I thought I heard something down there, to be honest. Dad, could you concentrate on the train, please? I think I heard something. I'm not sure, but I think I just heard something. Not sure because it might have been something down there. No, it wasn't. There's something down there. Sorry about that. Can you see it? You shout me when it's here. Should be here now. It's been down for like 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Oh, here it is. Dad, here it is. Wait, or is it? Dad? Oh, never mind. Dad? $66, $4.32. Is it? And up they go. Shame, no tone. Thank you guys, we'll see you next video.